Got no chill RC back once again. Give you a quick update on the course. You'll notice now I got some areas that I've plastered to give it a little bit different texture. These areas I don't think I'm gonna paint them like they are. And you'll notice we cut this down. And one thing I came up with is just not enough space. So guys, I got these foam boards. I'm just gonna kind of lay these in the places that I want to add more to it. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do these on the next part. This is just a quick update.